Glendale. It's Miss Hoover. I'm here with my son Edwin. He's going to be 2 months tomorrow, and we're going to do a little sing-along song time with you guys. So we have 2 songs, one in English and one in Spanish, okay? And the first one has to do with some frogs. All right, you ready, Edwin? Okay. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into a pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Yum, yum. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Blub, blub. Woohoo! He likes that song. I think he does. Do you like it? Yeah? Okay, we're going to do one more. We're going to do a song in Spanish, and this song is about some monitos. Okay. 5 monitos columpiándose en un árbol molestando el caimán. No me puedes agarrar. Llegó el caimán muy calladito, agarró un monito fuera del arbolito. 4 monitos columpiándose en un árbol molestando el caimán. No me puedes agarrar. Llegó el caimán muy calladito, agarró un monito fuera del arbolito. 3 monitos columpiándose en un árbol molestando el caimán. No me puedes agarrar. Llegó el caimán muy calladito, agarró un monito fuera del arbolito. 2 monitos columpiándose en un árbol molestando el caimán. No me puedes agarrar. Llegó el caimán muy calladito, agarró un monito fuera del arbolito. 1 monito columpiándose en un árbol molestando el caimán. No me puedes agarrar. Llegó el caimán muy calladito, agarró un monito fuera del arbolito. No más monitos. Thank you so much for being with us for our sing-along time. We miss you guys, and we hope you're having a good time at home. All right, hope to see you soon. Bye.